equation of circle, standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. That is the standard form of equation of circle, where h and k is the center of the circle, and r, of course, that is the radius. Okay. So for example, we're going to write the equation of a circle with a center, which is equal to 0, and 0 and 3, and a radius, which is equal to 5. So for example, that is the given. Center is 0, 3, and radius is 5. And we're going to write the equation of this circle. So just substitute the given value of h, k, and the radius in the standard form. So you have the equation of the circle is x minus h is 0 squared plus y minus the k, which is 3 squared, equals to the radius, which is 5 squared. Simplify the equation that you have. So we're going to x minus 0 is equal to x. We have x squared plus y minus 3 squared equals to 25. So this is the equation of the circle. Hindi na. Okay? No need to expand the y minus 3 squared, since we're just looking for the standard form of equation. Okay? So kapag ang given si center at saka si radius, madaling makuha si equation. But if the given is a center, for example, we have a center which is 3 and 5, and a point from a circle that has a coordinate of 6 and 2. So the same, using the standard form of equation, we need to find the radius of the circle to write the equation. And the formula for the radius is equal to the square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. That is the formula for radius. So in finding the radius, for us to be able to write the equation, we have the value for h and k, which coming from the center. This is h and k. And the given point is the value for your x and your y. Okay. So substitute the given value of x, y, h, and k to the formula of the radius. So the square root, x is equal to 6 minus 3 squared plus y is 2 minus 5 squared. So the square root, 6 minus 3 is 3 squared plus 2 minus 5 is negative 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9, 9 plus 9, which is equal to 18. Square root of 18, which is equal to 4.24. So that is our radius. Since we have the radius, we can now proceed in writing the equation of the circle in standard form. Equation is equal to x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to radius squared. So no need to change in writing the equation, no need to change for the value of x and y. The only thing that we're going to change sa equation, si H, si K, at saka si R. Okay. So we have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals to the radius that we have, which is 4.24 squared. So equation of our circle is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 4.24 squared is equal to 17.98. So that is the equation of the circle. Okay, that's how we find or write the equation of our circle. Given a center and a point, or a center and the radius. Okay na? If you're just going to identify in some of the question, just identifying what is the center. In identifying the center of the circle, since it's written already in the equation, just get the opposite sign or the value of H and K in the equation. So, ang center, for example, we have this equation. Well, equation of the circle is x minus 6 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals to 36. So for example, that is the equation. And we need to identify the center and the radius of the circle. So to find the center of the circle, just get the value of your H and your K. The opposite sign ni H at saka ni K. So if you have negative 6 here as the value of your H, it will become positive 6. And you still have a negative 3 for your value of K, it will become positive 3. And to get the radius, get the square root of 36. So square root of 36 is 6. So that is the center and the radius of the circle. Okay, that's how we find the center and the radius.
What? Wow, did you get 63 also?
Okay, how did we get 6? We get 6 by getting the square root of 36. Okay. So, ganyan ang mga question that you're going to encounter in your exam or the equation of the circle. Okay na? Okay, so tomorrow, we will be having a recitation since it's Friday. So be ready for your recitation tomorrow.
It's about. Okay, Christmas party.
It's about, sige, some of the questions, since you have a different questions for your recitation, maybe some of you will get the question about area of segment or area of sector or the equation of the circle. It's depend into your luck kung mas madali ang mapupunta sa yung question for your recitation tomorrow. Okay, be ready with your scientific be ready with your scientific calculator tomorrow for your recitation. So if tomorrow is your lucky day, maybe you will get the easiest question. But if tomorrow is your bad day, you will get the hardest question for the
You know, when
recitation.
you're preparing the questions, you can pick the harder the question for each person. You're gonna give me a madness.
Since Gabby is maybe not a good day tomorrow for Gabby, I think Gabby will get the hardest question. I already predict the outcome that the questions that Gabby will get is the hardest one. Right, Gabby? So, Gabby, be ready tomorrow, huh? Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Gabby, do you have something to say?
Sir.
Okay. So, that will be all for this afternoon. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.